Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is August 20th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of Tesla and beyond. From fiery incidents to legal battles, and from autonomous driving challenges to exciting new job opportunities, we've got a lot to cover. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Our first story takes us to Interstate 80 in California, where a Tesla semi-truck caught fire early on August 19, 2024. The blaze led to a significant highway closure in both directions near Emigrant Gap. The incident, which occurred around 3 a.m., was deemed hazardous due to potentially toxic fumes from the truck's batteries. CAL FIRE and the California Highway Patrol responded promptly, but traditional firefighting methods proved ineffective against the burning electric vehicle batteries. It was a challenging situation, requiring as much as 40,000 gallons of water or specialized dry chemicals to extinguish the flames. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, but the closure lasted well into the evening, highlighting the unique challenges first responders face with electric vehicle fires. In legal news, a Texas federal judge, Reed O'Connor, has decided not to recuse himself from a lawsuit involving Elon Musk's X Corp against Media Matters for America. Despite owning Tesla stock, O'Connor rejected Media Matters' motion for recusal, arguing that the financial interest standard was not met. The lawsuit stems from Media Matters' research linking X to ads appearing next to extremist content, which X claims has hurt its advertising revenue. Legal experts, including Harvard's Noah Feldman, have raised concerns about O'Connor's impartiality due to his financial ties to Tesla, suggesting that a reasonable person might perceive a bias given Musk's connections to both X and Tesla. Next, we delve into the world of autonomous driving with a first-hand account of a ride in a Tesla Model 3 equipped with the full self-driving feature. The experience, shared by a critic of Tesla's autonomous technology, Dan O'Dowd, highlighted significant safety concerns. Despite Tesla's claims, the FSD system struggled with basic driving tasks, leading to dangerous situations. The author contrasts this with a ride in a Waymo taxi, which demonstrated superior navigation and safety. The article calls for a re-evaluation of Tesla's FSD deployment, emphasizing the need to prioritize safety over profit in the development of autonomous driving technologies. In employment news, Tesla is hiring data collection operators to assist in training its humanoid robot, Optimus. The role involves wearing motion capture suits and VR headsets to perform tasks for data collection, crucial for training the robot to handle generalized tasks. With pay rates of up to $48 per hour, Tesla is seeking individuals between 5'7" and 5'11" to match the robot's dimensions. This innovative approach aims to gather extensive data, similar to Tesla's strategy with Autopilot, to develop a versatile robot capable of performing a wide range of tasks. Finally, we turn our attention to the competitive landscape of the electric vehicle market. Hyundai Motor Group, which includes Kia and Genesis, has captured a 10% share of the US EV market, positioning itself as the second largest EV brand in the country, just behind Tesla. Hyundai's Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 6 models have seen substantial sales increases, and Kia's new EV9 has contributed to the brand's growth. Genesis is also expanding rapidly, with plans to open the Hyundai Motor Group Metaplant America in Georgia, creating thousands of jobs and attracting significant investment. With these developments, Hyundai is poised for continued growth in the EV market through 2025. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Tesla and the ever-evolving landscape of technology and innovation. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.